Hi, my name's Peter Kay. I want to introduce myself. Some of you may know me, but I am a entrepreneur. I own my own business. I have a manufacturing business. I have been in the financial services business for most of my adult life. And what I wanted to just share with you just briefly this morning is an opportunity that eliminates most of the problems that people have in trying to start a business and operate a business, especially if it's a product that you're manufacturing or shipping or maybe only making one sale at a time and not having repeat sales. This is a program probably unlike anything you've looked at before. Yet it's backed by a company that's 20 years old that has an A+ rating. They're out of New York. It is an American company. And the products are educational products and digital by nature. The advantage of that is that there's no more manufacturing costs once the product has been created. It's stored digitally, and when somebody wants to order that product, it's just a simple download. So the company has no manufacturing costs, greatly reduced number of employees because they don't have to have people standing on assembly lines making products and packing and shipping, and all of those headaches are eliminated with this company. And what I want you to do, if you're interested in this, because it's a very low startup cost, you can start it for as low as $25 one time out of your pocket, and the growth that comes from the sales and the profit that you make is how you upgrade, and it can grow into a very lucrative, amazingly lucrative business. In the last 3 or 4 months, we've had almost 2 million people globally that have gotten involved in this. So it is very, very powerful. And if you'll go to my website, a better plan, the number 4me.com. So a better plan for me.com. That's going to take you to a page that's going to show you our compensation plan, our products, about the company. Very easy to learn about this and even easier to implement. I'd love to have you take a look at it, and if I can help you in any way, that's my desire, is to help you. I am looking for people who want to become a partner in this. And by partner, I mean a business owner themselves, and have the opportunity to really grow financially and have the freedom to do the things you really want to do. Most jobs, most businesses that you buy tie you down. This one does not. This one gives you the freedom and the flexibility to go anywhere. You can operate it from a laptop. You can operate it actually from your cell phone. It's an amazing opportunity. Again, go to a better plan, the number 4, the word me.com, a better plan for me.com. And that will take you to some information, and you can decide what you want to do based on what you learn there, okay? I think you're going to be surprised. I hope you will take a look at this. I couldn't be more serious about this. If you want to change your financial situation and change your time freedom, because that is really the most valuable asset we have, and most of it goes to an employer or to a job or to a business that just sucks the life out of you. And it's time to start living, okay? Again, my name is Peter Kay, and I'll look forward to speaking with you down the road here, okay? God bless. Bye-bye.